Indigenous knowledge is, first of all, it's processual, which means that these are ways of knowing that move together with the people on the land. It is also egalitarian, which means that there is no supremacy of one kind of being in the environment over another. And I think this is very important in order to understand its significance for the sustainability on our planet. It is experience-based rather than experimental and designed in laboratories. It is relational because it relates all beings on the land into each other and in their significance for each other's lives. So by applying indigenous ways of knowing, as I would prefer to call them instead of just knowledge, we get not only the facts, but we also get the interpretation of the facts for real life of real people on the land. And I think there it lies the true benefits of indigenous ways of knowing lie.
Sámi Climate Council is an independent scientific organ nominated by Finnish government. Half of the members are members of the academia and half are holders of Sámi traditional knowledge. Its main task is to produce knowledge on climate change and its effects to Sámi culture. This knowledge will be used in crafting climate action and policies. The aim of the Council is to have a real impact on the climate policy. Climate change is considered as the biggest human rights threat, especially to indigenous people. Currently, there are no concrete climate mitigation and adaptation plans concerning Sámi people. There is a real need that the Sámi Climate Council will succeed and its works. If we succeed, it could be a global model to implement indigenous participatory rights in climate work, but it requires resources.
So I think with audit officers that are grappling with complex issues related to First Nations priorities, there's a huge strategic opportunity to really bring that insight and perspective and talent in-house through embedding First Nations perspectives within your internal structures, within your audit teams, to deliver on your audit program in this area. What you'll find is that First Nations perspectives, depending on your jurisdiction, really cut across a range of areas, and having that opportunity in-house enhances your ability to engage with stakeholders. It makes sure that you're aware of your own blind spots as an audit office in terms of engaging with those communities, and you'll deliver incredible and powerful reports in this area.
Hello, my name is Carla Ware. I am a Moalgal woman from St Paul Village, Moa Island in Australia. I am the First Nations Performance Audit Leader at the New South Wales Audit Office. I lead a specific First Nations auditing program within the office. Part of my role is working with our coalition of Aboriginal peak organisations to develop First Nations auditing priorities. Another part of my role is to liaise with other audit teams across the audit office on First Nations perspectives within all audits, and to ensure that they're incorporating the right First Nations stakeholders, and also thinking about scopes and audit questions that might be relevant for First Nations communities.